yeah, once you read the 12 volt, like the top, as I said, the top three are negative, the bottom one is not positive. So I had to read like when I look to the screen of the electrical meter, I found reads 12 volt. And then of course here it's the fuse, for the outlet, power outlet, 15 amp also. So I took it inside the house and I did the soldering here. It was hard to solder through because it's hard to see in the top, it's all plastic. What I did, I just cut it a little bit so I can see the model or the aluminum or something, so, and then I wire it here so it doesn't move. You can just do here if you don't have a, just put the wire here a little bit, make sure it's connected right, and then yeah, just one of each, because those both are positive. So anyone will work. So as you see here, the wire, and first you need to hook the wire in the bottom of that thing. Okay, so I'll just do it like that. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, I couldn't do it with my hand, with one hand only, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's how that's done. And then keep this wire inside here, now you can see it's on, yeah, yeah, this one is on. Okay, and all right, so this car also has the aftermarket, the Ponier installed, and they did it the same way like us, but they did it with this cigarette lighter. So if I keep this cigarette lighter on instead of this outlet power on, always on, the radio will be on all the time. That's the good option. I have two. So instead of this having this one on, always on, the radio will be always on, which is not good. The battery will die quickly, drain the battery very quick. So good option comes with this car. I have another one here, which is, gives me another option to make this one always on. And yeah, so that's how I did it. And I hope this video will help you to figure out, at least give you an idea how to install dual dash camera on SUVs, especially if you have a side door opening, not like doors upside down. And also it gives you idea how to make a power outlet or a cigarette lighter always on, even if the key is off, to have at least one of each always on, so to make the camera, dash camera motion detection works. Otherwise it will be useless if the outlet is off. As soon as you turn the car off or take the key out, this outlet power will be off, both of them. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. And I can see, okay, so when I turn the key on, wrong key, this is the right key, that's a different key. So that's now the cigarette lighter is on, and the radio or the satellite radio is on. This one is all on, everything. And then when I turn the key out, that's off. This radio off, camera is still on, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and give subscribe. Really appreciate. Have a wonderful day. Bye.